Your middle name if you have one.
Jordan Ray Ravasloot, JORDANRAYRAVESLOOT.
Is that your true legal name and as it appears on your birth certificate?
Yes.
Have you ever gone by any other name?
No.
And your date of birth, please?
6/15/92.
And the last four of your social security number?
5358.
Have you ever used a different date of birth or social security number for any reason?
No.
Okay. And when were you brought to the Lake County Jail?
It was July 7th.
And your address, please?
2929 43rd Street, Highland, Indiana, 46322.
And is that a house or an apartment?
A house.
Do you read, write, and understand the English language?
Yes.
How far did you go in school?
Diploma, high school diploma.
And as you sit there now, are you under the influence of any drug, medication, or alcohol?
No.
Have you ever been convicted of a felony before in any court?
Yes.
And are you currently serving a sentence for anything in the Lake County Jail?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, I'm aware that you're part of the TIC program, but are you actually serving a sentence where any judge has ordered you to serve time in the jail?
I mean, I was sentenced to 9 months in the Lake County Community Corrections. I believe I'm still serving there.
All right. So, but that's the only thing, right? Just that issue?
Yes.
Okay. Understood. And outside of that, are you on probation or parole from anywhere?
I don't know. I think my parole is going.
Okay. For that same case though, right? Not in another jurisdiction or anything like that?
Right.
All right. Are you on bond from anywhere or have any other pending charges against you?
No.
And have you ever been represented by the Lake County Public Defender?
No.
All right, so I do need to formally advise you the reason you're here. And what I'm showing is that on or about July 27th, Lake County Community Corrections did file what's called a petition to expel from Lake County Community Corrections, alleging that you violated the TIC program rules as follows. Prohibitive activity number 82, escape, attempted escape, or planning an escape. They allege that on July 1st, 2022, you escaped from legal custody by climbing over a security fence. They also allege prohibitive activity 73, conduct which disrupts or interferes with the security or orderly running of the facility. They allege again on July 1st, 2022, that you climbed the water tower located behind the facility, necessitating an emergency response from several county agencies. And lastly, General Rule 47, that you're behind in your fees, $1,061. So as a result of that, a warrant was issued without bail for you to return to the Lake County Jail. I'm not asking if you agree with any of that, Mr. Ravasloot. I'm just asking, do you understand what community corrections allege there?
Yes.
All right. And as I mentioned, as a result of that, a warrant was issued for arrest without bail. So I need to set this over for the next TIC court, which is August 15th at 2 o'clock before Judge Pacoda. Now, in this matter, are you going to be hiring counsel to represent you on the petition?
No, I don't think so.
Right. Would you like me to see about appointing a public defender to represent you?
The petition? I mean, I'm not going to fight it, I don't think.
Well, I mean, again, though, you might want to have consultation with the counsel.
So I understand that's not a new charge, it's just for just vote.
Correct. It's just a new charge. So
it's not a new charge, or it is a new charge?
It is not. All I'm advising you today is that they filed a petition to expel you from the program. So it's not a separate new charge.
Okay.
I know Mr. Hogeveen obviously is part of the program, and I don't know if he's assuming your representation. Let's go through the questions and we'll just see where it goes, because before I can actually appoint Mr. Hogeveen to represent you, I need to make sure you qualify. How much income have you had in the last 30 days?
None.
Do you own any property like a house or a car?
No.
And do you have any bank accounts?
I have a shared bank account with my mom, but I don't think there's anything in it.
Okay. And do you receive financial assistance from the government?
No.
All right. So you're eligible for the public defender. Public defender's office, as I stated, this is a TIC situation, frankly, I'm not sure how we go about appointing counsel. Is it Mr. Hogeveen or?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Yes, he's here.
All right. All right, so I'll go ahead and appoint the public defender to represent you, Mr. Ravaslut. We'll set this over for August 15th at 2:00 p.m. in TIC. Public defender appointed. That'll apparently be Mr. Hogeveen. So did you have any questions for me, sir?
I do not.
Okay, we'll see you in a couple weeks. Thanks.
Thank you.